Good morning. It's Thursday the 14th, and there is a gecko in our room. Look at him climb the wall with ease. Wow, going behind the picture frame, I see, buddy. Good luck. Hope you surprise the next guest like you surprised me. With great sadness and reluctance, we are checking out of the Lighthouse Villa over here at Koro Sun Resort. I gotta say, this resort is the definition of luxury, other than the fact that for some reason here in Fiji, the water is a little spotty and the Wi-Fi is a little spotty. But I think that's to be expected. Every resort we've stayed at has had a little bit of water issues or Wi-Fi issues. And you shouldn't be on your phone the whole vacation anyway, but it would be nice to take a hot shower. Again, we were only here for 2 nights, so we really didn't let the staff know about the water issue. So, you know, it's not like they could have done anything. Maybe there's just a switch they needed to flick. So I'd hate to judge them on that. But holy cow, this room's just been a serious treat, considering we had only booked a garden beret and they upgraded us upon check-in. I think the hotel was fully booked when we came in, so they really gave us a jewel of a room. I'm currently in the upstairs bedroom. One last look at one of the coolest showers in Fiji for sure. This has been amazing. I guess I'm ready to head to Nadi, and we're gonna be staying at another cool resort and going out to the Mamanuca Islands, doing some cool stuff out there. So another little plane ride today and another hotel to check into. We've done this quite a bit this trip. So we're in the back of a taxi. We're leaving Vanua Levu, heading back to Vanua Levu, Nadi in particular, where we'll be staying for the next 3 nights and doing some excursions out of there. The Koro Sun's just been amazing. They sung us a wonderful song for our departure. And I gotta say, Savi remembers everybody's name. It's insane. She knew everybody's name. When you go into breakfast, she's like, "Good morning, Jared. Good morning, Michelle." And brought a tear to my eye. So we're here at the airport, waiting probably about an hour to board, and then we'll be in Nadi. just got off the island hopper plane and we are back in Nadi. We're gonna go check into another resort here in town and be doing a bunch of little island hops from there. A bunch of day trips. I think the Mamanuca Islands, some beach resort. Should be kind of epic. So we're here at the Tanoa International. This is the lobby, and as you can see, it's quite a large resort, literally bordering the international airport. Can't wait to see what our room looks like. We're here at the pool area at the Tanoa International Hotel, just waiting for our room to get set up. Really cool water fountain close into the pool. So pretty typical room here at the Tanoa International. Nothing like our last one where we were upgraded to a villa. But I will say this is kind of cool. There's a window to the bathroom, lovely glass shower, and a ton of place to store your things. I bet you there's a refrigerator in here.